Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Baseus VO20 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings, and after that press and hold on this multifunctional button to turn on your speaker. Here we go, it entered to pairing mode automatically, so now we should see it at the device list. Then click Connect near to your speaker at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!